That's my elderberries. She's gonna cut down my damn elderberries. There's the missus. It rained so much we couldn't do the lawn, but now we got no choice. It's just grown. It's almost knee high too. There's our mint. Lemon balm is growing. My wild lettuce. There's comfrey and Siberian Motherwort. Yeah. That's the little plaything Lucy bought for Marco. Yeah, these poor trees. I don't know. I just had to get this one. That's Siberian Motherwort as well, but it's growing by the compost. If that's 3 feet, the top of the pallet, I'd say what that's maybe 5, 6 feet there. I'm gonna have to put everything by the compost. Hey there, Quincy. Quincy's just chilling. He wants to get in the compost because it's like garbage. Now this, I'm finally happy. My herb garden is really starting to take off. I got radish, black radish, sage, even the lavender came up. I wasn't expecting the lavender to come up. It came up real good. We got hyssop in the back for some tea. Basil, this basil here, I put some aspirin water. 1 little aspirin tablet to a gallon of water, and it helps the immune system in the roots, and it came back. So we planted another one just in case. So it's looking good. And we got a fig. Where's the fig? Oh, the rain took away we put some powder on top of there to protect it. But we put in 2 figs. I got Motherwort growing where the figs were. But the figs on this side didn't make it, I don't think. But the ones over there, they made it. We're going to have figs. There we go. There's a peach tree for sure. It's always good to have backups. There might be thunderstorms today. Those are potatoes? Yeah. Ooh, child. Everything gets good growing going. Yeah. Yeah, rain is good. Oh, there's asparagus, huh? Hopefully the cats won't eat it. Yeah, I see that. I see that. Yeah, I made the hole. I thought for a minute. Oh, wow. Is that a broccoli? Yep. This is 2025 and we finally get a broccoli head. We got several. Hey. We had broccoli this year. Must have been good conditions. Yes, sir. Must have been really good conditions. Oh, look at that bad boy.
Yep. This is broccoli.
And that's another
That's
broccoli.
the broccoli. And if you
Did
look,
we ever grow purple broccoli?
we tried to.
I had that in Connecticut, actually.
We tried to.
It's very cool. Oh, there's another one, isn't there? That's a little tiny one.
You look down on the underneath there, those are kohlrabi. Look how big they are.
Oh, kohlrabi. Oh, shit. Look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that.
This year we've had most rain.
The rain is good.
Since we moved here, we're getting North Carolina rain. Georgia rain.
Rain. Oh, wild lettuce. Wild lettuce. Yeah. And that rain, thank goodness, because look at the grapes. They didn't look like that last week.
Yeah, it was great. And look at the grapes on them.
Let's see here. Shouldn't be too hard to find those bad boys. Oh, wait. Ooh. Look at those things. Nice. We might actually have some grapes this time around. I might get to eat some. Shit.
Some kind of little fence around the corn to be able to put straw in the front to hold the weeds down.
Weed suppression. I gotta remember that for next year. Cause mine, oof. And they compete for nitrogen, you know. Yeah, it looks great. Yeah. Oh, let me see if I can get a picture over there, over the other side of the fence here. Yeah, boy, that sucks. There's more grass and corn on my side.